Harus kamera narek.
Mulai eta sabaraha?
3 megapiksel. 3,2.
Ayo.
Lu nyari apaan sih itu? Itu
Belum dimasukin kali itu KPT. Udah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I would like to invite you to pray together. Okay?
Okay.
And who will be the leader?
Alright.
Yes, Nazar.
Lupa lagi bahasa Inggris. Alright, my friends, before we start learning, we had better pray first. Finish.
Actually, Nazar, it's too fast. Later, you have to slow your prayer. Okay?
Alright.
And then, and now I would like to check your absence. Rizka, Erwinca, and Nazar Ismail,
Present.
Dani,
Oi.
Hani,
Present.
Poppy, and Nia, and the last Dina.
Ewing teka. Si Ewing teka absen. Oh, udah.
Nobody sick here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gina.
Oh, Gina, where's Gina?
Gina is sick.
Gina is sick. Oh, don't mention it. Maybe it's just like okay. And today we will discuss a new topic, but I would like to ask you about last topic 1 week ago. Do you still remember about the topic that we discussed last week?
No, we don't.
No.
Oh my God! How could you?
Sorry.
I explained to you about narrative text. So, do you still remember what narrative text is?
Yes, I do.
Yes, Nazar. Could you please give me a bit explanation about it?
Narrative text is whose purpose is to entertain and amuse the readers.
Yes, very good. And do you still remember about the characteristic of narrative text?
Yes, of course.
Okay, and now we start learning new topic, written text. And what do we have? Here I have some text. I would like to read it. And for the first, we have visited Rio Studio. This morning, my friends and I went to Rio Studio. It wasn't very far from our school, so we just rode our bicycles. First, we met Sandy and Rico outside the studio. Then, they took us to the studio and showed us around. After that, we had lunch at Leo's canteen. The food was delicious. Before we went home, we took some photographs with Sandy and Rico. It was tiring, but we were
Berapa,
happy.
Nomor berapa?
3.
So, do you find any difficult word or new word here? No?
No.
So, do you understand all the text?
Yes, we do.
What does it mean?
Maybe.
Visiting Rio Studio.
Okay. And now I would like I want to ask you about what's different from this text. I mean the characteristic. Can you describe it?
Yes. Past.
Past tense.
It is past tense. And what usually recall text used for. Experience, yes, very
Experience.
good. That's what I mean. Recontext, usually recontext, a text that used for telling past experience what we or someone did, what took place, that is aimed at informing and entertaining, such as a diary and biography. Jadi kalau ada bukan gitu ya, teks-teks yang menceritakan mengenai diary,
Aduh, sesana mana?
Udah nih,
Abang bisa dah.
Michael Fishing.
Seperti biografi juga, mereka kan menceritakan orang-orang yang biasanya
Bisa.
sudah melakukan kegiatan yang itu dulu, gitu kan ya, atau orang-orang yang seperti sejarawan, Albert Einstein, atau yang lainnya. And next, types of recontext. Nah, we have three types of recontext here. For the first, we have personal recon. It's retelling of an activity that the speaker or writer has been personally involved. Jadi, for example, personal recon, diary, we have diary, and biography. And the next, we have factual recon. It's recording the particulars of an incident. For example, news report, police report, and the last, mechanic report. Talking on imaginary role and giving details of events. For example, the day in the life of something. Yes, so far, do you get it what I explained? Little bit.
Yes, of course.
Little bit?
Oh.
Yes, I hope you can understand this. And if you find any difficulties, you may ask. And the next, we have a generic structure of recon. For the first, we have orientation, events, reorientation. Orientation provides the setting when and where and introduce participants or characters who. And events tell what happened in temporal sequence. And last, closure of events. For example, comment or conclusion. So, let's look at for the first. Can you show me what is the orientation? Where is the orientation?
The first paragraph.
The first paragraph
The first paragraph.
with the red color.
And the events.
Even second paragraph.
I see. And the reorientation.
The last paragraph.
So, I think you have understood what recontext is. And we have language features of recon. Noun and pronoun as substitution of person, animal, involved, thing, example, David, the monkey, we, etc. Tadi kan ada Rico, ada Sandy ya, and specific participants, Mr. or Mrs. Wordle, Mickey, or other examples. Simple past tense ya, jadi kalau recontext itu pasti menggunakan past tense ya, karena itu menceritakan kejadian yang telah lalu, pengalaman kita ya. And action, verb, or material process.
Bulir telat.
Guru telat.
And temporal sequence on Friday and the beginning, in the end, first, then,
Harus ngambil
next, before,
ke bisa mau kaitannya aku naon?
ya itu seperti yang tadi
Bisa etakan gitu.
Bisa
when
orangnya.
you see in the text, you see
Itu harus atoh gitu bisa
what?
orang yang
Different
dipakai.
color of word. Ya, for first we have pink color. Ya itu menandakan tadi temporal sequence-nya. First, next, ya. And let's look at it. Yes, you have guessed the orientation, event, and reorientation. Well, I think you have
Simple.
mastered it. And now I have exercise, and I want you to what? I want you to describe, not describe, to choose where is the orientation, where is the events, where is the reorientation, and then I want you to write down the verb that use past tense.
Yes.
Okay? And
also
you
good.
can, what? You can do this right now. I give you 15 minutes to do that. Yes, please. Udah ya?
Udah.
And sorry, we have several questions that relates to the text, ya. Okay. Have you
Gimana sih?
read this?
Ngomongin bahasa selesai gimana yang materi minggu lalu? Apakah masih ingat ya? This remember last menstrual like
And I'll give you several questions
bilang yes, I see apa? Record lagi itu
to
aja.
the text. Sorry.
Apa gue?
Last summer holiday, my family and I spent one night at the countryside. We stayed in a small house. It had a big garden with lots of colorful flowers and swimming pool. First, we made a fire in front of the house. Then we sat around the fire and sang lots of songs together. After that, we came into the house and had dinner. Next, we sat in the living room and watched a movie. Finally, everybody fell asleep there. We woke up very late in the morning and had breakfast. In the afternoon, we went home. We were all very happy. So, have you read this?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the topic of the text? What is the topic of the text?
Summer holiday.
The orientation. Who spent the holiday? This is what question that will be for question I give to you that you have to arrange the orientation, events, and reorientation. And you can answer this later. And yes, you may do it right now. Ceritanya udah. I'll collect your answer. Okay. And then I'll check this. And then we have you will have assignment. For the first, make a paragraph about your unforgettable moment. Yeah, what your experience. Maybe last holiday when you went to Bali or when you went to IAL or study tour. Yes. And collected in Wednesday. Oh, ini tahu ya malah. Okay, collected next week. Yeah, I'll check next week. And do you have any question?
No, we don't.
Do you understand it?
Inshallah.
Yeah. Okay, let me check it. Nazar, what kind of tenses that recall text use?
It uses past tense.
Simple past tense.
And Niafi, yes. Can you explain to me the characteristics of recall text?
Puas. Good ya. Good ya.
Tense.
Yes ya. Nanti cek.